Today, I'm going to be showing you guys how I turned some simple scrap pieces into the most perfect project I have ever made. Which means this project was the hardest project I have ever attempted to do, which means I also rage quitted multiple times. I had to restart on the blade completely, and the guard, and the handle. I'll stop talking, and we'll get right into the epic part. So in the aftermath of me deciding to use the electric chair on myself, I realized I don't forge steel because it is easy, but because it is hard. Then after looking at the finished blade, I decided, you know what, this ain't too bad. It's actually better than the last one I made. Then I realized I actually love self-inflicted pain. So I decided, you know what, I'm gonna continue making this project. Do you guys ever get this rush of absolutely genius ideas? I think they're called shower thoughts. Yes, well, I had one. Why can you not use a Dremel tool bit in a drill press? And once again, my shower thought turned into a 150 IQ idea, and the Dremel tool bit didn't explode and send shrapnel into my eye and send me to the hospital like it could have done. So after brainstorming for a little bit, I decided to whip out the good old redneck gasoline grinder and grind in a hailstorm. Then I changed my mind. Thank you all so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and share button with the friends and family that you know would also like this type of video. I don't get paid a whole lot to make these videos. In fact, I spend more making some of these videos than I do earning anything. So be sure to share, like, and subscribe so that can help me out in the future. Again, thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next one.